Today we've got a customer's repair ready to go back, so I thought we'll do the on the air video, which we never did when we did our demonstrator before, or not in the standardised way we do now.
Tango 21 just on the towards the end of the line.
Tango 21 receiving loud and clear. It's immaculate. He says he bought it off eBay, not for free, with a in a box, and it really is in lovely condition. Unfortunately, it didn't work, and there was a problem with the display, which we've sorted out. So I've given a set a nice service, and hopefully Mr Chippie will drive away 6.5 miles, and hopefully we will be able to hear him, despite him being the wrong side of a hill, as we usually do these tests.
Just passing Ancaster services.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Where will it Ancaster Crossroads?
Well, I've got you at the crossroads. So it's now just over a mile away. He'll go up the hill next.
Passing the quarry.
Tango 21 got you at the quarry. So it's now about 1.5 miles away. Now he's at the top of the hill. So drop down the other side into the village of Wilsford, where it's really, really scratchy, which is why we do the test like this.
Just at the top of the hill, we'll go down into Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Into Wilson itself, going around Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got you on Scratchy's corner, and I haven't had to adjust the squelch yet. So that's him right at the bottom of the hill, and as he goes through the other end of the village he'll be about 3 miles away, and hopefully he'll come through much better, because it's going to be better as he moves away the shadow of the hill.
Passing the level crossing.
Got you at Wilsford level crossing. We'll just make sure the squelch is set as he moves further away.
Passing the Kelby.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn off. So that's him about 4 miles away now.
Yeah.
Tango 21, how are you doing? Roger, got you at the turning for Greyleys. So that's him now at 5 miles away. So the test ends in 6.5 miles as he gets to the raw speed level crossing. So that should be, he should be coming through okay at that point. Roger, got you at raw speed level crossing. That's fine, that concludes the test, and I'll catch you on the thingy later on tonight. Okay, Tango 21 out. So back to the radio. So this was a customer's repair, as I say, which he'd bought new old stock in a box, and it initially needed a general service. And I did do the VCO because it is important on this chassis, which is the PTBM 002 AF, which is known as the economy Cybernet chassis, as used in the Amstrad radios as well. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. It proves they still work, and that was the Fidelity CB2001.